Want to install Pinterest on your iPhone? Here's how to download and set it up step by step. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, open the App Store on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon and make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. Tap the Search tab and type Pinterest. Make sure you select the official Pinterest app with millions of reviews. Tap Get, then confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Wait a few seconds while the app downloads. Once installed, open Pinterest. You can now log in or create a free account and start exploring ideas. And that's it. Like the video and subscribe for more iPhone app tutorials.